Number 1. 1987 Chevrolet Silverado 3/4-ton 4x4 Camper Special. $3,000. Tucson, Arizona. This 1987 Chevrolet Silverado Camper Special represents the final year of the legendary square body generation, making it especially appealing to collectors and truck enthusiasts. Equipped with a fuel-injected 5.7-liter V8, factory four-wheel drive, off-road package, and towing package, it was built for both work and recreation. The seller notes that the engine was replaced at approximately 235,000 miles, adding value despite the truck's 306,000-mile chassis mileage. Although it currently has a fuel delivery issue and is not running, its original body panels, accident-free history, and second owner ownership make it a promising restoration candidate. Number 2. 1978 Chevrolet El Camino. $3,950. Fort Collins, Colorado. The 1978 Chevrolet El Camino combines muscle car performance with pickup practicality. Powered by a 383 cubic inch stroker V8 with upgrades including a racing camshaft, hooker headers, Y-end intake manifold, Holley carburetor, and MSD ignition, it offers impressive performance. A Turbo 400 automatic transmission with a shift kit and stall converter further enhances its appeal. The seller reports that it starts and runs very well, making this classic El Camino an attractive street machine project. Number 3, 1966 Ford F100 pickup, $11,000. Grantsburg, Wisconsin. This 1966 Ford F100 is a well-maintained example of one of Ford's most respected truck generations. Powered by a 352 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers a traditional driving experience. Recent tune-up work, new dual exhaust, a solid body and frame, and included spare parts add value. Features such as the auxiliary fuel tank and side storage compartment make it both practical and collectible. Number 4. 1989 Toyota Dually flatbed truck, $2,450. Yuma, Arizona. This 1989 Toyota flatbed dually is a practical vintage work truck, powered by a V6 engine and 5-speed manual transmission. A replacement engine, new radiator, refurbished seat, and new clutch components suggest consistent maintenance. The dual rear wheels and flatbed design make it ideal for hauling, farm work, or small business use, while offering the reliability Toyota trucks are known for. Number 5. 1977 Chevrolet Cheyenne K10 shortbed 4x4, $11,800. Lynnwood, Washington. This 1977 Chevrolet Cheyenne K10 is a highly desirable shortbed four-wheel drive square body with numerous upgrades. It features a dealer-installed 5.7-liter crate engine, rebuilt Turbo 350 transmission, rebuilt transfer case, and upgraded steering components. Additional equipment includes a suspension lift, dual fuel tanks, dual batteries, and off-road accessories. Its combination of shortbed styling, four-wheel drive, and mechanical improvements makes it especially attractive to collectors. Number 6. 1947 Ford F3 one-ton pickup, $15,000, Bayside, California. This 1947 Ford F3 captures the rugged character of Ford's post-war truck production. Powered by a rebuilt 300 cubic inch inline-six engine and 4-speed overdrive transmission, it has been upgraded with a 12-volt electrical system, electric wipers, improved seating, and a Rhino-line bed. Extensive bodywork and a rust-free condition further enhance its appeal as a vintage truck with improved usability. Number 7. 1981 Volkswagen Rabbit diesel pickup, $3,900, Polson, Montana. The Volkswagen Rabbit pickup is prized for its fuel economy, simplicity, and practicality. This diesel-powered example reportedly runs well and is free of structural rust. Included spare parts, extra transmissions, wheels, manuals, and specialty tools add considerable value. Its durable diesel engine and growing collector interest make it an appealing choice for enthusiasts. Number 8. 1989 Ford F250 diesel project, $800, Moro, Oregon. This 1989 Ford F250 offers an affordable restoration opportunity. Originally equipped with an IDI diesel engine, ZF 5-speed manual transmission, and Banks turbocharger kit, it has good potential despite being non-operational due to a failed head gasket. The clean interior and included components make it a worthwhile project for Ford truck enthusiasts. Number 9. 1974 GMC Sierra Grande Camper Special C2500, $14,454, Santa Barbara, California. This 1974 GMC Sierra Grande Camper Special is a well-equipped heavy-duty square body powered by a 454 cubic inch V8 and turbo 400 automatic transmission. Recent upgrades include a rebuilt transmission and a newer engine with fewer than 20,000 miles. Features such as dual fuel tanks, air conditioning, front disc brakes, and a touchscreen multimedia system improve comfort and usability while preserving its classic appeal. Number 10. 1986 Ford F150 XLT Lariat 4x4 Explorer Package, $11,500, Kenmore, Washington. This 1986 Ford F150 XLT Lariat is one of the most desirable bullnose Ford pickups. Equipped with a 351 Windsor V8, 4-wheel drive, and Explorer package, it combines capability with comfort. The reported low mileage, maintenance records, original documentation, and well-preserved interior significantly enhance its collector value, making it an excellent candidate for preservation. Number 11. 1963 Ford F100, $15,000. Plover, Wisconsin. This customized 1963 Ford F100 combines classic styling with practical upgrades. A 351 Windsor V8 and C6 automatic transmission provide improved performance, while front disc brakes, an aluminum radiator, and new tires enhance drivability. It offers a tasteful Restomod approach while retaining the clean styling that makes this generation of Ford trucks so popular. Number 12. 1984 Ford F250, $13,000 Sunnyvale, California. This 1984 Ford F250 is a solid heavy-duty pickup powered by a 6-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission. Dual fuel tanks provide added range, while recent maintenance including a new battery, fuel pump, fuel lines, alternator, and oil service suggest it is ready for regular use. Its clean presentation and relatively low mileage make it an appealing vintage work truck.